In a startling announcement, NASA has issued a grave warning regarding 5 asteroids hurtling towards Earth with potential collision trajectories. This alarming news has raised concern worldwide, emphasizing the need for continued vigilance and enhanced efforts to monitor and mitigate potential threats from space. One of them has been declared a potentially hazardous object due to its colossal size, speed, and distance of approach. Asteroid 2023 NY. Asteroid 2023 NY, which is nearly 44 feet wide, is heading for Earth and will make a close approach on July 15. This asteroid is heading for Earth at a blistering speed of 2,750,000 km per hour. It will miss Earth at a close distance of 5 million km. This asteroid is as big as a house. Asteroid 2023 MG6 will make its closest approach to Earth on July 16. In terms of size, it is almost 9-10 feet wide. As per NASA, it will come as close as 4.4 million kilometers and is already moving at a speed of 2,260,000 kilometers per hour. The space agency has categorized the flying object as an Apollo-class asteroid. For common people, it is as big as a stadium or thrice the size of the Taj Mahal. Asteroid 2023 NW will make it extremely close approach to the planet on July 16. The asteroid, with a width of 100 feet, will approach at a distance of 6 million kilometers and at a speed of 3,740,000 kilometers per hour. This asteroid is as big as an aeroplane. Asteroid 2020 UQ3 is currently heading toward Earth and will pass by Earth on July 18. The asteroid is a staggering 190 feet wide, traveling at most 7,56,000 km per hour, while making its closest approach 1.2 million kilometers. This asteroid is as big as an aeroplane. Asteroid 2023 NE1, with a width of nearly 190 feet, will make its closest approach to Earth on July 19. The space rock is already rushing towards Earth at a speed of 3,010,000 km per hour and will miss the planet by a distance of 3.6 million kilometers. This asteroid is also as big as an aeroplane. An object larger than about 150 meters that can approach the Earth within this distance is termed a potentially hazardous object. The average distance between Earth and the Moon is about 239,000 miles. In response to the impending threat, NASA has mobilized its resources and expert teams to closely monitor these asteroids and define their predicted trajectories. The agency's sophisticated systems and technologies, such as the Near-Earth Object Observation Program and the Planetary Defense Coordination Office, play crucial roles in tracking these space rocks and assessing potential risks. NASA employs a network of ground-based telescopes and radar systems along with space-based observations like the Hubble Space Telescope to track the asteroids moving accurately. This comprehensive tracking infrastructure provides critical data to determine their paths and predict possible impacts. NASA, in collaboration with international space agencies and organizations, continually explore various deflection strategies to divert potentially hazardous asteroids away from the Earth. These strategies include kinetic impactors, gravity tractors, and even hypothetical technologies like laser ablation or nuclear deflection. While the news of 5 asteroids on a collision course with Earth is undoubtedly alarming, it's essential to remember that NASA and its global partners are actively monitoring the situations and developing strategies to protect our planet.